Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Zilliqa coin. I'm very, very excited. I've been holding Zilliqa coin for the last about 8 months or so. I've been DCAing into it. I first discovered it back in 2019 and didn't decide to pull the trigger on it till about late 2020, 2021, and I've been holding it and buying a lot of it since. So love this project. Very excited to tell you guys kind of what's going on in that community right now and what you can expect moving forward. Crypto markets have been pumping today. Let's take a peek here at the charts. So when you look at the crypto market cap, we're above $1 trillion. If you look at some of my recent videos, I did discuss in a recent video that when the markets are going to break, if the markets break above $1 trillion, then you could expect a big bounce up. You could expect a big breakout from there because $1 trillion is a pretty critical level for the crypto markets. Another thing that I noted in a recent video about a week or a week and a half ago is I was saying, this thing's been consolidating for a really long time, and it's about time that a big move happens. I mentioned it could be up, that could be down, and that's the truth. Nobody knows which way it's going to go. I was a little more bullish, I believe. I think we're in a bear market still, let me be clear, but bullish for the short term for a bounce because nothing goes straight down forever, and we've been going down for a while. So I think this is a relief rally we've all been waiting for. When you peek at Bitcoin, it's at 23,000 and change. It almost touched 24,000 today, which was great to see. And Ethereum on the last 7 days is up 46%, almost 50%. This coin was at $1,000 about 2 weeks ago. So it's up 50% in the last, couple weeks, which is absolutely incredible. So Ethereum, people say, oh, I can't afford a whole Ethereum. Well, guys, you don't need to buy a whole Ethereum. You would have gotten a 50% gain if you bought $100 with. You'd go from $100 to $150. So that's something to keep in mind as well. But looking all the way down at Zilliqa right now, we had a really good pump today. And I'll explain why it kind of happened the way that it did. Now, this is actually kind of reporting strangely. So it's saying it's up 13% in the last 24 hours and down 2% over the last hour. So over the last hour, it's down 2%. That does make sense because Bitcoin is retracing. So what happened is Bitcoin went up and Ethereum, well, first kind of Ethereum led the pack and then Bitcoin followed and all the cryptos were pumping today. Not every single one, but Bitcoin was a huge pumper, up about 7% today. And then it came down. And as soon as that started to come down, that's when coins like Zilliqa and Engine started to kind of go up, right? Some of these smaller cap coins, because the money flows into Bitcoin, and then as Bitcoin gets kind of fearful and it kind of gets up, then people sell their Bitcoin for altcoins, and that's kind of how these pumps happen across the entire market. So Zilliqa then saw a huge move up, and it almost went to 5 cents today. It got really, really close. I think we got to like over 4.5 cents. Went all the way up to 4.8. I saw it says 4.7. It went up to about 4.8 on Crypto.com, which usually Crypto.coms are a little bit higher. But Zilliqa had a really nice move today, and why did it happen? It's because all the cryptos are pumping, guys. Cryptos are going up. Bitcoin is really on a great path here, and we could continue to see it go up. I think it's time that some of the shorters in the market kind of pay for some of the shorter. They've been making gains for too long. Nothing goes in one direction forever, and I think you're kind of seeing the opportunity for Bitcoin to rebound up. It's above 22,000. Getting above 23,000 is pretty big right now. So let's see if we can get back up to 30,000. If we can get to 30,000 and if we can get above 30,000, then you can start to expect to see coins like Zilliqa make those 100% gains. You can 2x, you can start to 3x on coins like this. Just looking at the last year for Zilliqa, it was all the way up to 18 cents. So if it goes from 5 cents to 10 cents, then you're about halfway there. So there's a lot of upside for this coin. And I really think that kind of the sky's the limit right now. If Bitcoin goes up, Zilliqa could have a 2x, no problem. I really believe that. If Bitcoin goes back to $30,000, I do believe that you could see a 9 to 10 cent Zilliqa from here. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep an eye out for 10 cent Zilliqa. We're going to have to see 30K Bitcoin before we see 10 cent Zilliqa. which probably means about $2,000 ETH, $2,200 ETH, something like that. So keep an eye out, guys. That's all I got. I'm holding strong on my Zilliqa. I did a portfolio reveal on my Zilliqa holdings recently. I've got about $10,000 in Zilliqa, and I'm going to keep holding that with you guys, and I'm going to keep dollar cost averaging with some of the interest that I'm earning on the Crypto.com DeFi app. If you want to learn more about that, check out some of our other videos here at the Crypto Report on that. I've definitely done some content on that for you guys as well. That's all I got in today's video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you like free money, take advantage of the links in the description down below. We've got free money for signing up for Crypto.com and Femex. When you deposit money, you can get up to $4,100. That's all I got. But guys, you got to remember, DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.